Okay. Um, these are shorts, and I don't want to go exceeding 3 minutes. 3 minutes, yeah. So that's why you see me sometimes I cut it short. So we were talking about this one, and we want to know 8. What is 8? So to get the value of this, is remember the 8 is a row, and we may use log, or we may just use a string, a list. So to get that, we can say we can say um, clean df, or just copy this that we save the time. So clean df, we have this thoroughly, but now what we want, it's is this one is 8. So this we can say, let's take out the 8 in the column. This is a column and this is a row. Okay, let's see. And you see it has got some problem. So you can say dot lock. And then you see still got some problem. So the